You're welcome, everyone. Welcome to UASE Tech Studio, and we are working on an official website for UASE, and we are not yet done. We are just like 5% on our way. You get, but I just want to show you what the website looks like and what it's going to look like at the end of the day. At least you should have some hint of okay, well, maybe this might be the outcome. This might be the new website. This might be this. But let's just give you a hint on what it looks like. So I've copied the link. I'll paste the link in the comment section later. You can actually check it out yourself and just say okay. I actually host it on Git. I'm sorry, on GitHub. So yeah, this is the website. Scrolling down, you aren't seeing much, but when you keep scrolling down, everything's sliding. Okay. So yeah, this is the card section where we have UASE Tech Studio, UASE Palatable, UASE Stars, UASE Boutique, UASE Cleaning, UASE Laundry. As you know, UASE Tech Studio is actually in web development, virtual assistant, UI and UX design, content writing, SEO, and graphics. Like see all these logos and everything here, and yep. So now let's come to the contact form. You can just put your name. You're suggesting some names I've put before. Just type your message. This is what I want. Send the message. Thank you for reaching out to us. We'll get back to you shortly. That's just it. Simple as that. And yeah, that's it. If you anyway you want to go here, let me just come to the service card here and UASE Tech Studio, UASE Palatable. Let's visit UASE Tech Studio. Click on it. It takes us to UASE Tech Studio site. And here we can see everything is empty, but when we start scrolling, let's see something. Everything starts showing when we start scrolling. All that stuff starts sliding in. Yep. And here when you come, it's slide up and more visible. You get. So yeah, that's just it. And yeah, I want to register. Let me just click to register now. It brings me to the registration section. And yeah, let me enter my name. I have a lot of name here before. It's giving me the suggestion I've put in before. Let's choose some file here and let's just put this. So this is just like WhatsApp and WhatsApp number. You can just put slash 0 blah 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 blah. Good. Then you register now. And when you hit on the register now, your form has been submitted. That's just it. Every submission you do, I get the response. So I'll pick up your mail and respond back to you or something, or your WhatsApp or anything. So yeah, and here is the contact section and everything, and that's all for here. Let's go back to the site. Let's get to one other section here, which is practice projects. There are a lot of projects here you can practice on, and one thing about this page is anytime you keep on refreshing, you keep on getting new positions of each content here. Each content here keep on changing position every time you can refresh it till you get a nice position. Let's just leave it here, and here are projects you can actually check out or something. Here is the search bar. You can just click on the search bar, takes you to that project. You see something here, and if I click on this place, it closes. If I open here, it's just a minor project, but you can actually use this one to check your skills and practice on something like this. Let's go back to that place. Everything has changed position again. Let's be like okay, auto text effect animation. You see, when I open, start writing one after the other. I am a YouTuber, I am a freelancer, I am a web developer. And you see, when it actually reached the space, I am an instructor. It was using a since, but it has changed to an instructor because yeah, that's how it's been programmed. And the next thing now, a lot of sheets is there. Here is a countdown, animation, double landing page, Pomodoro timer. In this Pomodoro timer, you can just be like, click on start. It's continue counting, and when you want to stop, you stop. You can start it again from where it stops, and yep, it read to the end. Let's wait for it to end and see something. Yep, And if I reset it, there is I didn't reset it to come back to 30. I reset it to come back to 5. You get, because that's what I actually want to. I mean, it's just a sample. You can also reset it to come back to 30. And you see, when it is done, UASE Tech Studio says time's up. Okay, so that's just it. I mean, if you click on reset again, it will reset it for you. I mean, well, to reset it to 525, yeah, because that's what I set it to. So here, when you come to this page, I see digital clock here, but this staying on it. So let's refresh it again. Yep, look at the digital clock here. Yeah, this is a digital clock. I mean, you see for this exact time I'm doing this video right now. And if you come on this button ripple effect, see, it brings a button, and here, look at, anywhere you come on is responsive. It knows where you're coming from on the page. You get, understand? So these are projects which you can actually character counter. Yeah, this is a counter. I mean, you can see 30 here, 20. If I continue typing, it's telling me I've typed 17 and it's remaining 33 to count, because I actually set it in 50s. Like when it's, it's not working again. So yeah, these are projects you can use to like test your skills. I mean, work on yourself on your own. Random picture page. I'm sorry. I've listed. This is just the other website. I mean, you can use this website too to like, there are not much, like nothing much here, but at least for a beginner, you can use something like this to test your skill or something. This is a countdown. Yeah, this is actually counting down to what, 20 to 60 days, 9 hours, 13, 53 seconds. These are little projects you can use to strong your skill in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Loan calculator. This, let me insert an amount here. Insert a rate here. Okay, let's be like 8%. Then let's just click on duration. You see, it's calculating the monthly payment of the loan for me. Okay, so these are little projects, and there are a lot of them here. You can just wiggle around and choose something. So yeah, that's it here. So if you haven't registered, okay, yeah, you can actually register here. Everybody is registering to the UASE Tech Studio, because UASE Tech Studio, this is the item you are registering for. Where is it? Get training, essential tech skill, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's the item you're registering for. So you just come here and do your registration. You see, it says join the successful family. So do your registration through the site, and you register now, and yep, we'll see in the class. The class is actually supposed to start today, but we haven't seen enough people pulling up, so we decided to extend it a little bit by 2 days, and see others that are still complaining that they are not financially stable. We should give them time. They will register this, that. We should give them small time. So we have intended to like give you like more 2 days, and see if you guys are not registering in 2 days, we'll start the class straight. So yeah, see you all in the class. If you want to build something like this for yourself, you can build something like this. You see, it's actually responsive, but the app I'm using, when you open it in your phone, you see, open it in your phone and all stuff. Yeah. So yeah, thank you. I've not opened it in the phone, but if I open it in the phone and it's not actually well responsive as I want, I can still adjust it, but I'm sure it's responsive to some extent, at least 80%. Yep. So thank you. See you in the class.